Hi everybody. Today's focus is on how horrible of a cook I am. Alright, I make a ton of mess on top of my stove whenever I'm cooking anything. And I'm looking for a cleaner that I can use in my stove that's going to be efficient and easy to use. So I'm looking for a stovetop cleaner that I can use daily as I make a ton of mess on my stove. So I have two products that I'm going to try right now, and I'm also going to research a third. The first one I'm going to try is Barkeeper's Friend. I've read a lot of good things about how well this will clean a stovetop, so we're going to test this one out. The second product I'm going to test on my stove, which I've used before and it's been in some of my other videos, is my Bissell Steam Cleaner. And for the third product to test, I'm going to look and see if I can find online a homemade cleaner to see if I can use products in my home that I already have to clean the stovetop. Let's get cleaning! Looking up what are some different things around the home, like natural or homemade cleaners I can use to clean my stovetop. Homemade stovetop cleaner. Okay, so food.com. They suggest a cup of water, a cup of vinegar, 10 drops of lemon essential oil, baking soda, and a spray bottle. I have all of those ingredients, so I could do this one. All three of those cleaners did an okay job at cleaning the surface dirt off of my stovetop. I gave them each an okay because there's still some sticky things on there that I think I have to take the razor and get off. But for a general cleaning, to just like get the stovetop cleaned off quickly, I think the three of them did a fine job. So both the Barkeeper's Friend as well as the baking soda, vinegar, and lemon essential oil mixture, they worked well, but they were really messy and time consuming. I felt like I spent an awful lot of time scrubbing and then trying to clean up the extra mess of the excess powder that was on top of the stovetop. I did find the steam cleaner to just be way easier to clean the stovetop, meaning it didn't take much effort, it wasn't messy, I didn't have to do any cleanup afterwards. It was press the steam, clean it, wipe it, and go. So I think I'll continue using my Bissell when it comes to cleaning the stovetop. So thank you for watching. That's all I have for today. If you have any suggestions of things you would like me to test out, throw it in the comments section. I'll do my best to get to it. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and have yourselves a great day.